up again? Hey, look, before you go, I want to give you one last chance to actually partner with us. All right. Now, if you take this offer, which is a little bit less expensive, you'll get the partner program format Ader. Maybe you didn't find the value or you didn't see the need with post filter, although it is a big part of the process and it really helps. Or maybe you're already a post filter partner. So in this offer right here, what you'll get is you'll get access to the Mad Ader Partner Program for one ridiculously low cost. You can look, you can see the cost below, and I'm sure you'll agree that this is a ridiculously low cost. So what you'll get is you will literally get unlimited accounts on the Mad Ader. You'll get a reseller portal, this one right here, the QB dashboard, where you can actually manage all your accounts manually or manage them all through automations. You can add users, delete users, suspend users, unsuspend users. You can use your unlimited accounts to generate leads by giving them a high value software in exchange for their information so that you can sell those people your other products and services. You can use your accounts as bonuses to your current offers to actually increase the value of your own offers or your affiliate offers so that people will actually take advantage of your offers because you have additional bonuses and you've increased the value stack, which will help you get more conversions and more sales. Or you can outright sell your accounts for whatever price that you want, and you get to keep 100% of that revenue, and you can build up your own passive residual income streams. So you can see the price right below. It's very, very, very affordable. Actually, you can find competing software that doesn't have near as many features as we have, and they charge more for one account on the software than I'm actually charging for the partner program with unlimited accounts, because I want to actually help you grow your business, and it's not a money grab for me. All right. And also, if you take this offer right here, as soon as you take this offer, I will present you with one more unique opportunity where you can actually white label the Mad Ader as your own software and become the CEO of your own software company. So if you're looking to actually white label this software as your own, launch this software under your own brand, then you want to take this offer so that you can actually be presented with that white label opportunity.